Hello, all. My name is Govardhan. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I studied electronic communication engineering in JNT College of Engineering, Kalikiri. So later to upskill myself in the core domain, so I searched for the institutions which are available. I joined Emertxe. So later here I upgraded my skills, which are like they teach so well like C and C++ and DS and microcontroller with the embedded C. I worked on them with a few many projects. We got support from the mentors to work on the projects if we don't get anything, so they helped so much, the lab mentors and the class mentors. And later with these skills we attended the interviews of the companies, and in that companies the mentors will help us to approach how we need to answer in an interview and all. Later we tried for the companies and we attended the interviews and we got selected. I got placed in the America Megatrends, which is in the Chenna. I will highly recommend everyone to join Emertxe. Thank you, Emertxe.